Hey foodies, welcome to Cooking Shooking. Today we are going to make suji french fries. We all love normal french fries, isn't it? Making it good takes a lot of time. Well, this recipe doesn't. The best part is suji french fries is just as good, in fact sometimes even better than normal potato fries. So why are we waiting? Let's begin making some homemade suji fries. Let's begin the recipe. The first step is to heat up a pan in medium flame and then we will add 1 cup of water. You can use any cup or katori for measuring the water. After adding the water, we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and we will add 1 cup of suji or semolina or rava. The measuring cup of your water and suji has to be the same. Now we will use a spoon and cook this until it starts leaving the sides of the pan. This step will just take about 2 or 3 minutes depending upon the flame. Keep it medium. Here you can see how the suji has started soaking up the water and it has started getting thick. We will cook it until it starts leaving the sides of the pan. This looks good. Now we will cover it and take it out. After covering it for about 15 to 20 seconds, we will take it out in a kneading plate to make a dough out of it. It will be hot, be very careful with this guys. I have a habit of playing with hot dough, so I am using my fingers to make it right now. You can also use a regular spoon to knead it. If it is sticking too much, you can add about 1 teaspoon of oil to this. Now knead it for about a minute or so, or until it gets very smooth like this. The dough for our suji french fries is ready. We will take it out and roll it. To roll it, we will use a plastic sheet so that it is very easy to cut it. So here I am using a big plastic sheet. In this I have placed the dough. Now we will cover it and start rolling it with a balan. The thickness of this needs to be about 1 centimeter. You can also make it thick or thin depending upon your preference. This is very similar to french fries guys. Shape does not matter too much here. The dough is ready. Now we will take it out and then start cutting it. If it is very hot right now, you can leave it for about 5 minutes like this so that it cools down a little bit. After it cools down, it's much easier to cut it. So my dough is ready. I will just start cutting it right now. I'm going to cut it into 1 centimeter thick strips. So all the dough pieces are cut and ready. Now we will cut it into french fries. Just divide it guys and your suji french fries will be ready. If you are not comfortable with cutting this kind of dough, what you can do is make french fries using hands. So just take a little bit of the dough portion and roll between your palms to make suji french fries. So all the suji french fries are ready. We will now deep fry them. You can also bake them in an oven at 250 degrees centigrade or the highest temperature in your oven until they are golden. It will just take about 10 or 15 minutes. You can also air fry them if you want to. Here I am deep frying them in very high heat. By the way, you can also cut the french fries and keep it in a freezer for up to 1 year. Just keep it in a Ziploc bag or a airtight container. Here you can see our french fries are golden. Our suji french fries are golden. Now we will take it out. Doesn't that look lovely? In fact, it looks just like a regular french fry. Before serving it, we will sprinkle some herbs on top. Here I am using pizza herbs. You can use any spice powder or any herb mix that you like. Some piri piri powder would be amazing on this. The recipe just takes about 10 minutes or maybe 15 minutes to make and the taste is just fantastic. It is very difficult to find whether it is potatoes or semolina. Let me have a bite. Wasn't that crunchy? Well, that was delicious. You should also try it and share with me how it goes for you. That's all for today guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Until my next video, make sure to click the subscribe button so that you get reminded of that video and ring the bell icon beside it. Otherwise you won't be reminded. I hope to see you in my next video. That's all for today guys. Bye. Take care. Happy cooking.